The sound of London, Cockney and Estuary English. Hello, learners from all around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of London to explore two fascinating accents, Cockney and Estuary English. Whether you've been intrigued by the rich tapestry of British accents or simply want to sound more like a Londoner, this video is for you. Cockney is a traditional working-class accent from East London. It's iconic and is often what many think of when they hear about a London accent, though it's just one of many. Some interesting features of Cockney include H dropping. The H sound at the beginning of words might be dropped. For example, house might sound more like ouse. TH sound changes. The TH sound can be replaced by the F or V sound. So, thing might be pronounced as thing, and this as this. It's also famous for its rhyming slang. For instance, apples and pears means stairs, and dog and bone means phone. Estuary English is a more modern accent and is often considered to be somewhere in between Cockney and received pronunciation, the classic British accent you might hear on the BBC. It takes its name from the area around the River Thames and its estuary. Features of this accent include T glottalization. The T sound in the middle or end of words might be softer or even missing. So, water can sound like war. L vocalization. The L at the end of words can sound more like a W. For instance, mill might sound like MIW. While Estuary English has some similarities with Cockney, it's often seen as a bit more neutral and widespread, especially among younger Londoners. Understanding regional accents is crucial for cultural awareness. When learning English, it's not just about the words and grammar. It's about understanding the people who speak it. By learning about Cockney and Estuary English, 1. You'll have a deeper appreciation for British films, music, and TV shows. 2. You'll be better equipped to communicate with locals if you visit London. 3. You'll enrich your understanding of the diverse world of the English language. We hope this deep dive into Cockney and Estuary English has been enlightening. Remember, every accent tells a story, and by embracing them, we get closer to the heart of the cultures they come from. Keep practicing, and maybe next time, you'll surprise a Londoner with your impeccable accent. Cheers!